What we doing, guys? Welcome back to my cooking channel, guys. This is Chef Carlton here from the Just Good Cooking Network. I'm asking you to please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you won't miss my notifications. Today I'm walking you guys through a special recipe, guys. So stick around, guys, and let's have fun while we do this one. Alright, guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. And as I said before, you know, I'm doing a special one for you guys. Well, this one is a Kit Kat Milkshake. So I got some Kit Kat bars. All the ingredients I'm going to be using for this one, from the whipped cream to some chocolate syrup to a little bit of caramel topping, some ice cream. And this is one that's for all my subscribers who want to tuck on some, you know, put on a little bit of weight. Yeah. Alright, I always ask me for the recipe because we do a lot of weight loss stuff, and every time we do a weight loss recipe, you know, ask me for something for gain weight. So that's the one. Alright, let's dive into this one, guys. Alright, guys, sorry about the industrial noise. Some people, they're cutting the yard next door, and I think they're having a party at the other house, so there's a lot of industrial noise in the background, so I gotta try and see if we can just hurry up with that one. Yeah. Alright, I say hurry up, but get it all out. So let's start by adding our milk, and I'm making enough. I'm making a good amount, so I'm gonna put the recipe in the description as always, so just check the description for the exact recipe. So we're gonna add some ice cream. The vanilla ice cream. I always use vanilla ice cream. Alright. Oops. Make sure so your surface clean, because you know, like we use nothing around here. Alright. Alright, that's it for the ice cream. Ice cream soft already, so now I'll give it much trouble for. Now we're going to add some Kit Kat bar, right? Can't be a Kit Kat shake without some Kit Kat. I'm adding around 5 of these. Alright, now I'm going to add some chocolate syrup. Not a lot. I don't really want to change the color too much. Just like that. Some caramel, and if you have salted caramel. And the next video I'm going to teach you for my caramel from scratch. We not do much. We don't want it overdo it with the sweetness, but alright. Now my favorite ingredients, a little bit of nutmeg. And last but not least, some cinnamon powder. Alright? Not a lot. Okay, you know them things are strong. Perfect. So we're gonna cover this now. You go blend. If you blend have a fixture with a smoothie, a setting with a smoothie, use that setting. Please don't use the liquefy setting, and don't add ice to this. Alright, we'll make a shake when I make smoothie. Alright. Alright, guys, so we're just going to give this a quick blend. And we're going to use, for this one, we're going to use the blend feature. Alright. Alright, guys, so we're going to go ahead now, get our jar. I'm just going to pour our shake inside. Alright, and we're going to get some whipped cream. I'm just going to go ahead and top that off. Alright, and we're going to get some Kit Kat. Just stuck. Like that. I'm gonna watch the run that I run over. I'm gonna go ahead and clean that off. Alright. We're just gonna go ahead and sprinkle. We're going to sprinkle some nutmeg over that. Or you could do some chocolate shavings if you have it. And that's it, guys. Put your straw in and enjoy. Alright, so there you go, guys. Real nice, delicious and simple recipe, a Kit Kat milkshake. Make this one for your kids, you know, make sure you have them ready up and down, staying healthy. You want to tack on a few pounds, this one is pretty good also. Alright, thanks for watching as always, guys. Please hit the subscribe button. Chef Carlton here saying stay safe out there and peace out.